How to book a hotel, trip.com. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to book a hotel on trip.com. So basically, to begin with, open your trip.com app onto your device, and what here you want to do is on the home page, you just want to enter on your destination or just select hotel from the list. Then you want to select your destination, travel date, and then the number of guests in this search field. So here it is. You just want to go ahead and type in the location or the destination, and as you do it, so click on the search button. As soon as you click on the search or on the home page, you just want to enter in the destination, travel date, and the number of guests in the search field, and then you want to browse through the available hotel. You can use the filter to narrow down your option by price range, amenities, and the user review to find the hotel that meets your need. As you do it, so you want to then click on the hotel you want to book to view the details about the room, price, and specific hotel policies, including cancellation terms, and then select your desired room type and proceed to the booking prompted. So here you just want to go ahead and select the book rooms, and if you liked it, so you want to click on select rooms, and then you could complete the booking and then check the confirmation. After completing the final steps, you could check your email for the booking confirmation, all that, and this way you'll be able to book a hotel, trip.com. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.